Welcome to Overgo World, the channel for all things tech, vacations and holidays. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of the latest videos.
Welcome to today's video. We're going to be unboxing the new Apple Watch SE edition. So this is the second edition which has been released. So there was an original SE edition and this is the second one which was released. So and this was released in 2022. So this one that we're unboxing today is the Midnight aluminium case with a 44 millimeter face. So this comes in two different size options. There's a 44 millimeter option and there is a 40 millimeter option. So we'll be showing the other one in a separate unboxing video. So we have the 40 millimeter one as well, and it comes in a range of colors. So it comes in Midnight, it comes in Starlight. Midnight's black, Starlight is a sort of a goldy color, and again we have a separate unboxing where we'll be showing that, and it's also available in silver. Now with the SE editions, they come in aluminium cases, while with things like the Apple Watch Series 8, where we've already done an unboxing of that video, that comes available either in a stainless steel or aluminium type of case. So let's open this up and let's have a look at this watch. As you can see, we have two boxes in there, strap, and then also the watch itself. So just peel open the watch. There we go. Finally got the lid off. So you have the usual instructions in there. So the lightweight instructions. Anyone who's got an Apple Watch will be quite familiar with what to do. So you've just got some basic instructions there on how to attach the band. So for this one, you can get different straps. What we've got here is the solo loop. So this is a sort of a band that you can just sort of put on rather than the strap type. So we'll just open up that as well. And again, it's got the instructions in there on how to attach it, and that's the solo loop. So this is a black strap here that we've got for this one. And if I just take out the watch here as well, so just lifting off these instructions, there you can see is the charging cable. Much like the other iPhones, the other Apple Watches as well, you have to buy your own charger. So you'll get this sort of charging cable, but you'll still need the charger itself. So if I just open this up, you can see now that the Apple Watch SE2, it comes with the USB-C type charger rather than the old USB type charger. So you'll just need an appropriate charger, which you'll need to purchase separately if you don't already have one. So that's for charging up the actual watch itself. And again, those of you who are familiar with Apple Watches will see it's the usual circular charger which goes magnetically onto the back of the watch to charge it up. But don't forget that charger. If you're buying this for the first time, you bought your watch, it's going to be no good to you without a USB-C charger. So just opening up the watch itself. So here's the watch. And if we just take this apart, that's what the Midnight Black SE watch looks like. So if I just show you the sides on that, that's how it looks with the dial. I've got a Watch 7 series on at the moment. That's how this black one looks. So this is stainless steel. So this is a Watch 7. So if I just take that off, if you want to just compare the two. So it's quite similar type of finish there. And this is, you have to remember, this is stainless steel. This one is actually aluminium. Okay, then just looking at how to attach the actual strap. So doing this for the first time, it's saying take the band and just attach it into the back. It looks like it's got the same kind of contacts on the back like the previous Apple Watches as well. So those of you who've seen our previous video, we've shown how to sort of add these and take them off in the past. You get the black contacts, you make sure they're facing on the back, and you just slide these in on the back and push them through. So I've now attached the strap, and as you can see, it is just one piece. So unlike the Series 7 or 8, so this is like a Milanese type strap that I normally use. For this one, we've decided to go with this for my son because he doesn't like those types of straps. He just wants to be able to put it on and off. We use the measuring tool, which is available on the Apple website. It tells you how to measure and where to measure on your wrist, and you can just take a measuring tape and then measure the relevant person's wrist. This is a size 4 for my son, and it will show just in very faint, you may not be able to see, it says 4 on the strap there as well. The second edition SE watch, it has a lot of the functionality which the Series 8 has for a fraction of the cost. So it really depends upon what you're actually looking for. So this has some key features. So it's got all of the types of apps that you would normally look for on your Apple Watch. So you can do all the usual kinds of things that you want to do. It's got a heart rate monitor. The Apple Watch Series 8 has a 3rd gen optical sensor. This one has a 2nd gen, but that'll be good enough for just measuring heart. What you can't do with this one, which you could do with the Apple Series 8, is take ECGs, and also on the Series 7 as well. With the SE, you can't use it for ECG purposes. It also doesn't have the temperature sensor, which is on the Series 8, but that's used more for things like menstrual cycle measuring. And it doesn't have the oxygen monitor, which the other one does. But in most cases, people who are buying this watch aren't looking for that kind of functionality. What they're looking for are the main functionality that they can play their music from there. This one's got GPS and it's got cellular as well, so you don't need to have your a phone with you when you're using it. You can measure your heart rate when you're exercising. It's got the battery of up to 18 hours, 50 meters water resistant. This one is a height of 44 millimeters. It comes in 2 options. One is a height of 44 millimeters and the other one is a height of 40 millimeters. If you want to have a look at the 40 millimeter one and the Starlight effect rather than the midnight black, then that's something that you can have a look at on our other video. It's got also the fall detection and the crash detection. So if you're in a vehicle and the vehicle's involved in a crash, that's built into this. So that's not something, the crash detection is something new, which was for Series 8 and also for the 2nd edition of the SE. So my old Series 7 has the fall detection, but it doesn't have the crash detection in there. So it's a nice watch. This pairs up, you know, color wise very nicely, midnight black with the black solo loop strap. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and as I mentioned, if you want to have a look how this compares to some of the other Apple Watches, please have a look at our other videos.
Thanks for watching, and as always, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video.